Want to own your dream home in Calgary? Unless you won the lottery, chances are you'll have to climb the property ladder. With prices going up year over year and competition being fierce, I'm breaking down exactly how to go from a condo to a semi-detached to a detached home to your dream home, step by step. Let's dive in. Hey, I'm Jay Schultz, Calgary Realtor, helping buyers and sellers navigate this crazy market. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing, hit that subscribe button for weekly videos on the Calgary market. Today, I'll walk you through the property ladder, what it is, why it matters, and how you can climb it strategically, even with prices going up. Plus, I'll share my pro tips on when to buy and when to move up to the next level. Just like in the corporate world, they have a corporate ladder. You have to climb that ladder in terms of status, job title, and of course, salary. But in the real estate world, think of it like the game of Monopoly. Not everyone starts at Park Place. You often have to buy Baltic Ave, a couple others. Finally, you can afford Park Place, and then you get it. So working your way up in Monopoly is the same as a property ladder here in Calgary. Most buyers don't jump right into the $1 million home unless mom and dad are helping out, unless they've won the lottery. Instead, they start small. They build equity, they move a couple times, and then they get into the property of their dreams. Buying your first home, condo, townhouse, buy something. Get into the market. Real estate historically goes up. Calgary is no exception. We are a slow and steady market here. We're not like Ontario, where we will see 10% in 6 months. We are slow and steady.
Moral of the story? Slow and steady wins the race.
It's always a good investment to buy real estate in the Calgary area. Why start with a condo or townhouse? This is the starting point for most people on their journey.
Hang on. We like to go fast.
I like that.
Whoa.
It's a more affordable entry point. Lower maintenance allows you to see how to manage a home, see how the condo board does it. It's a great first step. Easier mortgage approval. This is key as well. You're starting out in your journey. 5% of a $250,000 condo is a lot different than a $600,000 condo. A few challenges in this market. Condo fees. Condo fees affect your ability to carry a mortgage. You might be able to carry a $400,000 mortgage, but you might only be able to afford a $350,000 mortgage if your condo fees are $500 a month. There's less flexibility in a condo than owning a detached home as well. You can't just make renovations as you like. You have to get board approval for many things in a condo. Structural, for sure. Flooring, most likely. Minor changes to electrical and water, probably still need approval for those too. Not all condos appreciate at the same rate either. They're going to appreciate less than the detached family homes are. Condos in certain areas are going to appreciate more. Think of close to the university. Think of trending areas. Those are spots where those condos are going to appreciate the most and give you the best return on your investment. In addition to the great location, make sure you're looking for a building that has a strong reserve fund, has been around for about 5 years, and is a great managed property. There's a few of them out there, and there's a few bad ones too. Condos, a great starting point. The next ladder rung is a townhome or a semi-detached home.
This is what you've been waiting for. A 5-bedroom, $3,300 a month rental in Silver Springs, Northwest Calgary. This half duplex could be yours.
Townhouses, you'll have more options in lower price points. Semi-detached, those are going to be a bit more expensive of a price point. Why upgrade from condos to this rung? Well, you certainly have more flexibility. There's more space for a growing family. Renovations are typically much easier. It's still more affordable than a detached home. Careful on those condo fees as well. There's certainly less on a townhome, but you do have utilities to pay for now as well. Great resale value on both of these property types. This is an in-between price point. This is an in-between house style. People don't want to go to a condo. People will come to this style of home as most buyers are priced out of the detached pricing and have to come to this price point and style. Some things to consider. You're buying a more expensive home, so your property taxes are going to be more. It's based on the market value of the home. There's a mill rate calculation, all that kind of thing. But if your home is worth more, you'll pay more taxes. So moving from condos to these styles, you're going to pay a bit more in property taxes. There's still shared walls. There's less shared walls than if you were in a condo. I tell my buyers all the time, it's a crapshoot who you get next door. There might be a dog. There might be a partier. There might be a husband-wife who fight all the time.
Wicca, what's up? Hey, how's it going? Are you our new neighbors? We're your new neighbors.
You run the risk of this with any shared wall property that you buy. You even run this risk with the detached. Hopefully it's not a concern, but it is something to think about when you're going to a home on this ladder rung. Less yard space than a detached home as well. I've certainly seen some small townhouse backyards. I've seen some big ones. I've seen some side yards. I've seen some weird stuff. They don't all have the traditional rectangle lot that a detached is gonna likely have. Maybe a pie shaped if you're really lucky for the detached. But townhouses, semis, you're gonna have an odd sized backyard. It's just one of the things that comes with the price point. All right, guys, we're getting there. You've built equity. Your mortgage has gone down. Home prices have gone up. Your net worth has gone up. And now you're ready to move into a fully detached home.
Ah, finally. No more condo fees.
Hopefully you can get an attached garage. If not, detached garages are great as well. They're just at a cheaper price point. People obviously prefer to get out of their car, be inside already, and then make it into the home. It's price point based. Get what you can get and love it. Moving up to this ladder rung makes a lot of sense. You get more space, more privacy, and of course land ownership. That piece of land is now yours. This is exciting, guys. We've made it to a detached home, people. No shared walls, no weird condo rules. Get any kind of dog you want. Obviously better long-term appreciation as well. Detached homes are going to appreciate more than a condo, than a townhouse, than a semi. It's just the way it goes. They are the ultimate for home ownership. People want these. These are the prices that move the most, and you will make the most money on your detached home over time. There's certainly customization options are now fully allowed. You can do whatever you want to your home. Unless, of course, there's a strata and the strata says you can't do anything to your exterior. That's different. Anything you do inside, that's up to you. Get a structural engineer, take down a wall, add an addition, make the home yours, increase your resale value. These are things that you can do in a detached home versus some of these others. It's a lot more complicated. Moving up to this price point, it's very important that you sell your townhouse, your condo, your semi at a price that allows you to unload it fairly quickly. You don't want to miss out on the home of your dreams or the next step by overpricing your other home. Price it strategically, sell it quickly, rely on the data. The data will tell you what it's worth. Sell it for market value. If you're enjoying the video today, subscribe, never miss a video. Help me help you. All right, you've made it. We have made it to the dream home. Your salary is up. Your equity is up. Your savings are up. Your net worth is up. Everything is going your way. Maybe you have a life partner now. They have an income. Hopefully they are bringing some assets to the table. Now is the time to move into your dream home. Signs that you're ready to move into this home.
Give me a signal.
Please send me a sign.
Your income is stable. You have a nest egg. You have the equity to afford the mortgage. You're planning on staying in Calgary long term. You know what you want. You know what features are important to you. Do you want to look out at the mountains? Do you want to be across from a park? Do you want a south backyard? These are things that you now know after your journey. Buying your dream home doesn't mean overextending yourself. You still need to pay the mortgage. You don't want to be house poor at any of these previous levels. Being house poor sucks. No extra money for going out on the town. No vacations. Don't be house poor. Get something in your budget, stick to your budget, live a good life. When's the right time to move up? These are things that you have to consider when moving from rung to rung. Do you have enough money to upgrade? Salary. Is your salary going to support the new mortgage? Do you have the equity funds to get that 5, 10, 20% on the next home? Are these monthly payments going to be affordable? Are they comfortable? Even more importantly, are they comfortable? Don't be house poor. Can you handle interest rate jumps if you're on a variable rate? Are you okay with the current 5-year fixed? Is a 3-year fixed the better play? Talk to your mortgage broker. Is the market favoring move up buyers, or is it a seller's market? If it's a seller's market, there's not a lot of inventory. The sellers have all the control. You'll likely get into bidding wars. You want a more balanced market or a buyer's market in the price point that you're moving into. You have to take certain consideration that what you're in might be a certain market, what you're moving to might be a different market. So drop a comment below. I'm happy to chat, see where you're at in this journey, and figure out how we can get you up the next rung. Is it a minor jump? Is it a big jump? I'm here to help. So let's recap. You might have to start with a condo. You might have to move to a townhouse. Next up, semi-detached, a mid-tier detached home, something that's nice, something that's nicer. Finally, after all of this work, changes in your income, net worth, changes in the market will get you into your dream home. Stay the course, climb the ladder. Catch you on the next one.